What's going on, fam? So today we are doing an unboxing and installation of this new exhaust. It's a slip-on exhaust for my Ducati Monster here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited. You guess it, it's an Akropovic slip-on exhaust. Alright, let's see here. You have to be very careful because I don't want to scratch the finish of the link pipe. So I'm going to do this slowly but surely. Alright. It says the product doesn't meet the emission compliance for street or highway use. Sure. So this is made out of titanium. The titanium link pipe. There's instructions. This is very specific for what do you call this? Ducati Monster 821. So if I haven't mentioned already, I ordered this through Revzilla. So I usually get my motorcycle parts from them if I am not getting it from the dealership. It doesn't seem to be very long, is it? At least by the, according to looking at the boxes. Akropovic. So according to the reviews and research that I've done, Akropovic is one of the best custom exhaust in the market. Okay, it does. Okay, that's good. So this is the thing. I don't know what's this for. Well, you know, you can tell what it is. It's for linking the pipe to linking the link pipe to the slip-on exhaust itself. Nice, look at that. You can see that? Let's go ahead and take it out. Wow. Yo, this is beautiful. There she is. Removed before use. Yeah, it's a carbon fiber tip right here. It's pretty good. Alright. There you go. I hope it doesn't just freaking fall off. Whoa. Let's see if we can. Okay. It's not that big, right? The question is, this one is supposed to go. Alright, next. The plan is I am actually planning to replace the header itself eventually. I just didn't have enough money right now. They're too expensive together. If you want the full header and the exhaust, the slip-on, it's gonna cost you about $1,700. So right now with this and the link pipe, cost me about 900 or 800 something. Not bad. Yep. Alright, so let's see here. We need to basically okay. I think the circle thing is supposed to go outside. We're gonna take this out for now, and then I'm gonna take this guy, and then we'll insert it, put it in, and tighten it up. There you go. I have to hold it in. Alright. Right, a little bit more maybe, like that. Okay, and then this guy, I'm just gonna eyeball this too.